Next one in the armour family, Kendo shirt. Right, this thing's awesome. So not only can you wear it on a motorcycle, you can wear it on a mountain bike, motocross, you know, all the bits and pieces. Or, you know, if you want to throw yourself around on the floor, it's ideal for stuff like that. 201.99. It comes in ladies specific. This is a ladies specific one because obviously, unless you've got some moobage, ladies have different lumps and bumps. So this is obviously a ladies cut one. It's a level 2 back protector in it that we showed obviously on the Keltor vest that we showed you before. Detachable Coccyx protector, adjustable kidney straps, Sastec shoulders and elbows, fully adjustable on the back, and then obviously a nice big chest plate on the front. Absolutely bang on. So like I say, road riding, motocross, mountain biking, BMXing, any kind of extreme sports, sandboarding, whatever floats your boat. Have a check out of one of these. Great protection, 201.99. Kendo vest. Wicked.